Hi guys, welcome back to another lesson in algebra. In today's lesson we're going to look at working with flowcharts. So flowcharts tell us the correct order of doing something. So what is the correct order for putting on your shoes? Do you have your shoes on and untied before you have barefoot? Well, no you don't. So let's put this in correct order. Well, the first thing that we're going to do is have our bare feet. After that we might put some socks on. Now there's two here with their shoes on. Which one comes next? Well, you can't have your tied shoelaces unless you have untied shoelaces first. So we go the untied shoelaces and then we're finished with our tied shoelaces. Now we can do the same with maths and with expressions particularly. So we're going to follow these flowcharts to find out our answer. So the first thing is 7 plus 3 and 7 plus 3 equals 10. Then we're going to divide 10 by 5, which gives us 2. So we can find the answer through that. Now, we need to know the inverse operations. An inverse means opposite. So we're finding the opposite of an operation. So write the inverse of the following operations. So the opposite of adding something is to subtract it. So opposite of addition is subtraction. And opposite or the inverse of subtraction is addition. The inverse of division is multiplication, and the inverse of multiplication is division. Let's complete the following flowchart. Okay, and that means we're going to do the inverse as well. So 5 times 9 gives us 45, and 45 plus 4 gives us 49. Now let's fill the inverses in. So the opposite of adding 4 is to subtract 4. And the opposite of timesing by 9 is to divide by 9. Now if we look at 49 and we subtract 4, we end up with 45. If we divide 45 by 9, we end up with 5. Okay, let's complete the following flowchart. So we've actually been given our final answer. We then have to fill in our inverses in order to find out what we would start with. So 19, to get 19 we subtracted 5, so we're actually going to add 5. So 19 plus 5 gives us 24. This is times by 3, so here we're going to divide by 3. And if we go 24 divided by 3, we get 8. That's all we have to do for this exercise or this topic, part of the topic. So if you have any questions, please make sure you ask. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks, guys.